Born on 11th January 1972 in a family of teachers, Krishanu Bhattacharya started his early education in Adarsh Prathamik Vidyalaya, Shodhpur. Later, he attended Shodhpur High School, from where he passed Madhyamik examination in 1987 with 70% marks. He got admission in Hare School, Kolkata, and passed higher secondary examination in 1989. He started his college life in Vidyasagar College, Kolkata, and studied honors in English literature. He passed BA examination with honors in English in 1993. From his student life, the world of news attracted Krishanu most. So during his association with the Doinik Bosumati, a leading Bengali daily published from Kolkata, he got admission in the postgraduate diploma course in journalism in the Kolkata Center of the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. He stood fast in the final examination and got Kulpati Award and gold medal. As the best student of the college for that year, he got the Statesman Award for Excellence and Leadership in 1994. In 1996, Krishanu passed MA in English Literature from Rabindra Bharati Vishwavidyalaya. In 2007, Krishanu got a B.Ed degree from Kolkata University with first class. From 1996 to 2001, Krishanu worked as assistant in the Raghunathganj branch of the Life Insurance Corporation of India. There, beside his regular clerical assignments, he participated in the implementation of the official language in the work of the office. For significant contribution in this field, he was awarded by the divisional manager of the LIC of India. Krishanu, due to his training in journalism, organized publicity campaign of the branch, including organizing press meets, publication of the house journal, the review, and other jobs. In 2001, Krishanu joined Kalyan Nagar Vidyapith as assistant teacher of English. Since then, he is working in the school and making significant contributions in the development of the school. As the nodal teacher of ICT classrooms, Krishanu is continuously contributing in the development of infrastructure of the school. The school has 4 audiovisual classrooms at present. As the nodal teacher of MDM and minority scholarship, he has positively contributed for the development of the school. He is the coordinator of cultural affairs of the school. He assists the clerical staff of the school in making official works regularly. During the pandemic, Krishanu takes special initiatives in taking online classes and online tests for the students. He played an important role in distribution of mark sheets of the Madhyamik candidates, distribution of midday meal and textbooks. He has taken an initiative to collect funds for the construction of the new building of the school. Krishanu is the editor of the school magazine Shuchona. For making the classroom attractive, Krishanu has developed several e-contents based on the textbooks. Krishanu is one of the main organizers of the annual athletic meet of the school. Due to his close relations with the ex-students, Krishanu plays an important role in organizing Teachers' Day in the school every year. Krishanu is a prolific writer in Bengali, English and Hindi. He has 13 books in his credit. In addition, his articles are published in about 20 prestigious publications. He is editing a bilingual tabloid at present. His articles are published in the reputed papers from Kolkata and other places. The London School of Tropical Medicine has published his article in their newsletter. He has written a drama on creating public awareness on conservation of the river Ganga in Bengali named Bodhodoy, and the play was acted by the students of his school in different public occasions. Krishanu has a reputation as a renowned public speaker. He was invited by the Indian Science Congress, School of Tropical Medicine, Kolkata, Jadavpur University, National Council of Education, Kolkata, Bidhannagar Government College, Sundarban Mahavidyalaya, Indian Association, Democratic Writers Association, Nodia, Little Magazine Fair, Kolkata, River, and other organizations for delivering lectures. This public speaking ability was recognized in student life by different organizations like National AIDS Control Program, Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture, and Vishwabharati Vishwavidyalaya. This year, Regional Outreach Bureau, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, in collaboration with the Birla Industrial and Technological Museum, has organized YouTube presentation to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Gandhi. Krishanu Bhattacharya was invited to speak on Gandhiji and journalism, and this video was praised by different people and viewed by thousands. Krishanu is attached with the science section of the All India Radio, Kolkata, since 1989. He has covered the 3 sessions of the Indian Science Congress as representatives of the AIR Kolkata in 1994, 1995 and 2019. He has interviewed renowned scientists of our state and 2 Nobel laureates. He has also worked as the casual monitor of the Central Monitoring Service of the All India Radio in 1993 to 1996. The Center of Archaeological Studies and Training, Government of West Bengal, has awarded Krishanu a fellowship to work on the life and work of first Indian archaeologist Purno Chandra Mukherjee. From his student life, Krishanu is actively attached with the restoration of the local heritage. His native place, Panihati, is very rich in religious and cultural heritage. Krishanu, under the banner of Panihati Town Library, started a heritage study on Panihati in 1989 when he was a mere student and still now working on this subject. He has written several books on this subject and a lot of articles which were published in different reputed periodicals. At present, he is considered as an authority on Panihati. Panihati municipality, even in their website, acknowledged the contributions of Krishanu. Now he is preparing YouTube videos on different subjects of Panihati and that are viewed and appreciated by the audiences. After the sad demise of his father and national teacher, Dr. Kanailal Bhattacharya, Krishanu founded Dr. Kanailal Bhattacharya Janashikha Prasad Samiti in 2004. An annual lecture in his memory is organized every year. Noted academicians like Professor Ramendranath Dotto, Professor Shubhankar Chakraborty, Dr. Jalodhar Mullik, Professor Syed Tanveen Nasrin and other speakers spoke in different subjects during the annual session of the Dr. Kanailal Bhattacharya Janashikha Prasad Samiti. In this year also, a webinar was organized in presence of Sri Dipankar Rai, the District Inspector of Schools, Barakpur. The Samiti started an experimental school Shishu Bitan in 2005 and it was continued till 2018. In addition, the Samiti organized several programs to spread the message of communal harmony. Raipara Milan Sangha is an organization devoted for the development of the people of the Jalongi block of Murshidabad. The organization has started Aveda E-School for imparting education among the students through digital way at Shagorpara, Naudapara of Jalongi. The 2 villages, Parashpur and Toltoli, were severely damaged due to the erosion of Podda in 2006. The Milan Sangha has started Romindro Rokeya Shishu Shikha Kendro in 2006 at the Chor of Parashpur. The school has got the recognition from the government of West Bengal. In Chok Chaitan village, mainly dominated by the tribal peoples, Milan Sangha has started Udayon Shikha Mandir. These institutions are working to promote education among the poor and underprivileged people of the block. They have a plan to start a new computer center at Shagorpara also. They will start a digital health checkup center for this July. Besides, this organization is distributing foodstuffs among the poor people during this pandemic period. They have created a forest to check soil erosion in Jalongi and named it after renowned social worker Pannalal Dasgupta. Krishanu Bhattacharya is closely associated with these endeavors, and at present he is the president of this organization. During this pandemic, Krishanu, in addition to his regular assignments, tried his best to explore newer ways of learning. He has attended the NPTEL course on regular basis. He has already got the elite certificate from the IIT Chennai for the course on the history of English literature in last December. He has also attended 7 days workshop on science communications and media practice organized jointly by the Bigyan Prashar, Department of DST, Government of West Bengal and Indian Science News Association during November-December last year. He has completed an online course to teach students online organized by Educo Development Foundation. He has attended several webinars organized by internationally reputed organizations like LSHTM, Cambridge University. He has attended an international webinar organized by Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts and Indian Council for Philosophical Research, Government of India and Punjab University on thoughts of Guru Nanak Dev Ji in reference to Indian philosophy on 5th October 2020. The webinar was addressed by Honorable Minister of Education, Government of a problem in their lives. Teachers stopped guiding the students as the schools remained closed due to lockdown. Requested by one boy named Anwar Mullah from Taldi, South Chobbish Pargona, Krishanu started online classes for them. There were students of class 10 then. After that, some students of Chandannagar Hooghly also joined the group. In the last session, Krishanu formed 3 batches for class 8, class 10 and class 12 students. Classes were taken twice a week. In the group of the students of class 10, there were 84 students. This is completely voluntary service. Regular class tests were taken for the students. In February 2021, Krishanu visited Canning and took mock tests of those students and discussed the problem with them. At present, some students of Purva Bardhaman studying in class 10 are attending his online classes. The students of Canning, Taldi and adjacent places reading in class 11 are also attending classes. In this way, Krishanu is trying his best to contribute in the development of the country. The Rokeya Institute of Value Education and Research, RIVER, was founded in 2010. Krishanu Bhattacharya is the secretary of this organization. This organization works on the personalities attached with the spreading education among the women of our country. They used to organize a day-long program to discuss their contributions at length in the month of December every year to commemorate death anniversary of Rokeya Sakhawat Hussain on 9th December. Panihati Town Library is government-sponsored library which was established in 1981. Krishanu is an active member of the library since his student life. From 2011, he is the secretary of the management committee of the library. The Career Guidance Center of the library remains active for the last 11 years and helps thousands of boys and girls to secure government jobs through competitive examinations. Besides, the library organizes several important events like celebration of the International Mother Tongue Day, birthday of Rabindranath Tagore and others. Panihati Book Fair was started at Panihati, hometown of Krishanu. He was closely associated with this fair from his childhood. He became the member of the several subcommittees of the fair. In 2008, he became the convener of the cultural subcommittee and worked till 2011. In this connection, he has good relations with the cultural world of our state. From his student life, Krishanu has donated blood on a regular basis. He used to donate blood on every football lovers day and Frank Orel day. Life is a long journey and it must be full of service to the mankind. This is the motto of Krishanu's life.